Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Let's look at the key differences between unittest and pytest. Python actually offers two major testing frameworks with two distinct philosophies. Unittest, included with a standard library, follows JUnit's object-oriented approach, while third-party pytest embraces Python's simplicity with a more modern, flexible design that many developers find more intuitive. So let's move on to a feature comparison at a glance. So if we are looking at test structure, unittest is a class-based and inheritors. It actually inherits from test case. So but then pytest, in terms of test structure, has simple functions without class requirements. On the grounds of test discovery, unittest requires specific naming conventions, but that of pytest has automatic test discovery with minimal setup. On the grounds of assertions, unittest uses specific methods such as assert equal and assert true, while pytest uses Python's assert with enhanced failure reports. So unittest is built into Python's standard library, while pytest requires installation but offers superior flexibility through plugins, fixtures, and parallel execution support. Pytest also simplifies parameterized testing compared to unittest's more complex implementation. That's it for this video for the comparison between the two. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to the next video in the playlist.